Yo,
Yo,
what's up?
Alright, so now we are in East Karangasem, East Bali Karangasem, I mean.
Yeah, it's Bali anyway, yeah.
So we are in Tukat Telaga Wajah. Oh, that's the name of a special river, the biggest river in East Bali, where normally the rafting company.
The Tukat Ayong Kin Ubud. This is the second river where you can have rafting, and it's beautiful because it's quite small, but it's rice fields around and the bridge over here. And we will try to go down because we saw that some people are taking bath there. So very traditional way, very nice. I wanna see this. Let's go. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the bridge, beautiful scenery around, and we are looking to find the road down. It is somewhere there. Check this out, so cool. And there are people swimming. It's crystal clear water. Yo, what's up? Nice warung on the road, by the way. Somewhere here is the entrance. So where is it, honey? Yo, what's up?
This is how locals friendly. Let's
Yeah, they scare you, honey, but and this is the way down. Slippery, was raining, so this is everything to show beauty of this area. Whoa! I fall down. Just fall down. Check this out. But all is good. The camera is safe. That's the most important thing. But I think my pants are dirty. Honey, you have to show that to the people. Honey, it's not vanilla. I just said, be careful. And check this out. That's not vanilla.
Okay, let's go down. So this one is the abandoned rafting company.
Over here.
The people don't go here anymore.
Yeah. It's actually quite difficult access here. But check this out. This is the river. Yo, what's up?
They are so happy.
And so beautiful river over here. You can get change actually here. Okay, let's get down.
So look at them. They have a kind of floating breakfast by the river.
Check this out. And the sound of the river, so cool. We go down. I just don't wanna fall down again. But it's so cool. Yo, what's up?
So that guy bringing the salad, fruit salad or rujak. So they have a rujak by the river.
Very nice.
Look at this.
Yo!
You want rujak?
No, I'm fine. Check this out, the river. So cool.
Okay, let's check the water. Is it cold water, warm or hot water?
Very cold.
Water. Oh my god!
But check this out, the jungle, so cool.
Very cold water.
That is so cool here.
Damian need to wash his pants and his feet little bit. Careful, little bit cold water. Here we go. So some locals are coming here for having a bath. Look, they are so happy. How was the water, honey?
Yeah, not so bad, not so bad. It's cold, but not super like frozen, you know?
Yeah.
It's just chill, yeah.
I decided not to swim here because I didn't bring my swimming suit, and Damian also didn't bring his swimming suit.
Well, actually, I fall down, so I'm dirty already. My pants, I could swim, but it's quite cold. Anyway, we are a little bit hungry. Time for the coffee, lunch, something like that. I think we will go to Sidemen because it's very nice over there. Check this out. There will jump also. Check this out. It's more people come around. It's actually not so deep, and there is like a so powerful. It's like a shower, right?
Yeah.
They are
And
just
then
enjoying.
this waterfall is so super cool.
So cool.
Look, they're just having a bath and swimming. Right, so East Bali area also famous for the arak, production. As the front of us, the truck which is carrying the big gallons of arak. Oh, nice. Ooh, super. Ooh. That's the river. All right, we arrived in one restaurant in close by the Mount Gunung Agung view. They are famous with that. So we will have lunch here. Follow me.
We'll see. What is it? The place?
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. Nice, Ganesh. Alright, we are just arrived. Check this out, the beautiful place with the beautiful, amazing view.
Behind us, that's the rice terrace, and unfortunately that we cannot see the Mount Agung today
Because normally it
it was
should
so
be there.
cloudy. Yeah.
But it's just beautiful. We'll show you around the place. We're also waiting for the food. Now it's
food.
just the coffee,
So-
as you can see. And also I will fly drone over here, so because it's really beautiful, you know.
So beautiful place.
Unfortunately it's cloudy, but it's beautiful. So that's how it looks, the place. Beautiful, some people, lovely coffee,
Cheers.
sayang. And check this out, the view over there. So nice.
So this restaurant has a beautiful garden behind me. Has a small temple with a dragon statue. So let's go little bit. Let's see how it is, the restaurant, and then go down and see the scenery. Look at this temple.
So beautiful temple, by the way. Check this out with the dragons and everything. This is not any kind of paid endorsement. We're just showing you because it's so beautiful place. And this is not actually exactly Sidemen area, but very close by.
Yeah,
This is different village name, but it's close by Sidemen.
yeah. You know, the restaurant surroundings, and yeah, they have villas also here. They have a hotel. But you see, there's a swimming pool over there. Maybe some people are staying here over the weekend.
Yeah, over here is the
Beautiful.
swimming pool. Maybe you can come here for the just day pass.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe they just, because they also open day pass like 75k, include the food. Yep. It's beautiful.
That's how it looks. One more time. Down there is the river. And this beautiful view. Also I will show on the drone because this is completely different perspective, but it's super nice. Alright, our food arrived. As you can see, so nice pizza. And Sayang have
Soto ayam.
soto ayam.
Well, I'm super hungry. So yeah, I just ordered soto ayam and rice. You know, no nasi,
No eating.
For me. So Damian, pizza. No pizza, no eating. For
Something like that. Smacznego,
Alright,
Kani.
smacznego, selamat makan.
By the way, if you will be interested what's the name of the place, this is the name. And that's how it looks, the situation. Very nice. See ya.
Super cool. Let's go home. The river, very nice. We have a banana in the car.
Alright, so this is another beautiful place.
Yeah. So we already had our late lunch in the one beautiful restaurant facing the Mount Agong, and now we stop in Bukit Jambul area. It's very nice rest area after I think Besakih Temple, the road after.
Yeah,
Besakih
on the
Temple,
way to
something
the
like that.
Klongkong city.
Yes.
So that's how it looks, the situation over here, as you can see. So cool, beautiful rice fields. There is the road. There very far is the ocean, if you could see. It's very cloudy today, but it's very nice. Very nice place.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching.
And you saw me how I fall down going to the river.
So visiting East Bali is always
You will
amazing.
see a lot of landscapes like this one, which is super cool actually. This is really super cool. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is another day. Like always, see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Bye.
And here is the parking area. This is Jimny, of course, and the road looks like this. So there is the Besakih area, and you go down and you will see the road like this. As you can see, that's how it looks. Super cool.